Hello, I'm Jonathan Kirsch with the latest Lakewood news and events. After an extensive community conversation with residents and receiving public comments, the City Council decided at its August 27th meeting to put a question on the November ballot to ask voters about the Taxpayers' Bill of Rights limits in Lakewood. The ballot language is available at lakewoodtogether.org/Lakewood funding. In other action, following a public hearing, City Council rejected a rezoning for a development called Indigo at Red Rocks in the Rooney Valley. But a vote on the formation of a special financing district for the eventual development of the property is set for the September 10th regular City Council meeting. To watch the August 27th City Council meeting or previous council meetings online, go to lakewood.org/council videos. The Lakewood Police Department is looking for great officers from other agencies or students who will have their bachelor's degree by July 1st, 2019. If you're interested in a career in law enforcement, apply now for this nationally recognized and accredited department. For more information, visit joinlakewoodblue.com. And if you've ever wondered what it's like to be a police recruit, you can get a first-hand look by reading the latest story from one of Lakewood's very own recruits who's in training right now. Head over to acadblogger.blogspot.com to learn about Recruit DeRosa's experience. If you've ever wanted to take part in the justice system, Lakewood has an opportunity for you. Lakewood's Teen Court is looking for new volunteers to participate every other Tuesday at 4:55 p.m. during the school year. Teen Court is an educational program for youth ages 13 to 18 that allows you to actively participate in the justice system by acting as defense attorneys, prosecutors, bailiffs, and jury members. For more information, contact Rachel Starry at 303-987-7413 or racsta@lakewoodco.org. The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment will be taking air samples in the community surrounding Tarumo BCT and conducting a health risk assessment based on those results. The work is being done because of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's recent action identifying pollutants that need further examination. The chemical to be examined is ethylene oxide, which is used to sterilize medical devices the company manufactures. The sampling is expected to be complete by mid-September. Community members in the vicinity who have concerns about their health can call the State Health Department's toxicology line at 303-692-2606 or visit colorado.gov for more information. Play an important role in your community by volunteering to serve on one of Lakewood's boards or commissions. You can find the full descriptions for all positions and applications at lakewood.org/get-on-board. If you've never been to a show at the Lakewood Cultural Center, there's one coming up that would make a great introduction. The flying Karamazov Brothers, who are known for consistently testing the laws of physics. They have two performances, September 28th and September 29th. Tickets start at just $20 and are available at 303-987-7845, lakewood.org/presents, or the Lakewood Cultural Center box office at 470 South Allison Parkway. A quick reminder, several of the city's facilities will be closed in the coming weeks for annual maintenance. Green Mountain Recreation Center's pool is closed now until September 7th. The Carmody Recreation Center will be closed September 17th through the 21st, and the pool will be closed September 9th through the 23rd. The Clements Community Center will be closed from October 8th through the 12th. You can find more information at lakewood.org/recreation centers. That's it for this edition of City Scene. Stay up to date on the latest Lakewood news and events at lakewood.org. I'm Jonathan Kirsch. Thanks for watching.